In this video, I will show you how to find Bitget Wallet address. So first, go ahead and open Bitget Wallet on your device. Head over into the Assets tab by clicking on that Assets button at the bottom right of your screen. Then here, go ahead and click on that Deposit button, which you'll find at the middle of this page. Now in here, go ahead and select Deposit Crypto. So if you have crypto assets, you can go ahead and deposit crypto. Now in here, you just need to go ahead and select the coin that you want to deposit to your account. So go ahead and select from this available coins on Bitget Wallet. Now in here, you just need to choose the network. So make sure that the network you select matches the withdrawal platform or your assets may be lost. So after you select the network, you can go ahead and find your QR code along with your deposit address for this specific network. That's basically how you can find your Bitget Wallet address. So it would basically differ depending on the coin and the network that you have selected.